I would just like to experience with MEDASTRA here. So I'm very delighted to tell you that I've just passed in the first attempt. The most important things I would like to mention here that from my personal experience is that we have got such a friendly environment and friendly mentors here who are able to support us in every matter. Furthermore, we have got British simulators with excellent walks, and furthermore, I would particularly stress upon the experience here, especially with the manikins and the SIMman. It's really brilliant. You will not able to see the SIMman here in anywhere, in any other academy. I would particularly tell you about that. So these are the major things. You should definitely consider MEDASTRA, and I highly recommend these guys. So see you achieving your success in your first attempt at MEDASTRA. Thank you.